Good afternoon, friends. We are doing lesson 21 in phonics. Let's get busy. Screen share, share. Well, we don't want to see that, do we? So I'm going to delete that and let's go right here. Lesson 21. Our learning targets today. I can determine if a sentence is in past, present, or future tense. I can add suffixes to root words. And I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Spinning Wheel. Now, we've been learning about sentences that occur in past, present, and future. I'm going to read some sentences aloud, and then we're going to decide which tense the sentence is in. Jill will go to the concert tomorrow. You know what? That is future tense. Do you know why? Because it has the word will. That's that special word that tells us it's future tense. It is future. Lee cheered for his pal race. All right, I'm looking at cheered. And if you notice on cheered, I've lost my mouse. There it is. It ends with ED, and I know past tense ends with ED. So I'm saying this is past tense. We are right. Beth will play games with her friends. There's that special word will. What did we say it was? Future. Good. Juanita walked to the store. There's our verb, walked. Look at the ending, ED. What did we just say it was? It's past tense because that's the special marking. Past tense. The dog barked at the neighbors. There we go again, ED. That tells us barked is past tense. Scratched her back. Okay, the verb is scratched. It ends with ED, so that tells me it is past tense. Great job, friends. I will drive to the airport tomorrow. It's got that special word will, and we know will means it is future. Yesterday, I started a good book. Started is the verb. It ends with ED over here, so that tells me what? It's past tense. Now, we've learned a lot about root words and suffix endings, so let's review. The roots of a flower stay in the ground, and that helps the flower grow in one place. And this is similar to root words we learn about. For example, we have stop roots, but then we can add endings, make it stopped, and notice there is a short vowel and a consonant, so that consonant is doubled and added ED. And then for stopping, that short vowel makes that P double and add ING. Tapped the same way. Tap is the root word. That A is short. That P will be doubled to make PED added on top of that, make tapped. Then we have tapping. That A short, we double the P and add ING. Mop, the same thing. That O is short. The P is doubled and ED is added. On mopping, the O is short, the P is doubled, ING is added. Do you see the pattern here? Yep, I do, because we're doubling that and adding an ED or an ING. You add a suffix to a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound followed by a single consonant, you double the consonant before adding the suffix. For example, clap the word stop. Stop. It is one syllable. There is also a short vowel, and it ends a single consonant. So stop will become stopped because we double the P and add ED. Stop also becomes stop because that O is short. We double that P and add ING. The same thing with tap. So let's clap the word tap. Tap, one syllable. It's also a short vowel and it ends with a single consonant. So tap becomes tapped and tapping. We doubled that P because that A is short. We added ED and N-G. The same with mop. Clap the word mop. Mop. Syllable. It's a short vowel and it ends with a single consonant. So mop changes to mopped because that O's short. We double that P and add ED. Mopping, we double the P and add ing because that O is short. All right, so let's look at our worksheet 21.1. Okay, it says, can you see a spelling pattern? Fill in the chart. So you've got the root word and you've got ED words and ing words. Now, not all these words are going to double that letter. You have to decide, does it have a short vowel and one consonant? Then you double it. If not, what are you going to add to it? ED and ing. Now you've got this page and this page to do. So there's 2 pages of that, okay? All right, so I'm going to bring that back up. We're going to get over here to our slides again. Hit present mode. All right, today we are reading The Spinning Wheel. A spinning wheel. I'm thinking of an amusement park, maybe the merry-go-round or Ferris wheel, maybe. Well, it talks about all of the fun Grace and Jill have at an amusement park. Well, let's preview some spellings. We have what spelled with WH, wheel, whizzing, whooshing, wild, and win. We have ng spelled with think and pink. We have s spelled with C for excite. And then we have oo as in shoots, hoops, and food. Let's preview some vocabulary here. We have arms. Well, arms are a part of the machine that resemble human arms. We have shoots, hoops, that plays basketball and tries to make baskets. Tosses, it's throws. It's throws with a quick, light motion. All right, so let's read today's story to hear all about Grace and Jill's day at the amusement park. So I am going to escape, go to our story over here, the spinning wheel. There are lots of fun rides and games at the park this week. Grace and Jill like to ride the spinning wheel. The spinning wheel is a ride with 6 arms. The arms spin around and round and lift up. It is fun to ride. Jill, Grace yells as the wheel starts to spin, I dare you to keep your hands up while you ride like this. Soon they are whizzing and whooshing and shooting and yelling. Grace keeps her hands up till the ride ends. She keeps her hands up for a while, but at the time, woohoo, shouts. Look at me, shouts Jill. Her cheeks are pink with excitement. There they are. When they get off the spinning wheel, they run and check out the games. Grace shoots hoops while Jill tosses darts at a target. Jill wins a prize. Let's have a snack, says Grace. The sisters get a big tub of buttered popcorn. They share a corn dog and a drink too. The food is good. When they are finished, Jill asks, should we ride the spinning wheel one last time? No, Grace says, after all that food, it would not be safe. I think I would get sick. I probably would too. All right. So let's come back here. Now it says we're going to do our worksheet 21. Okay. Let's bring it back. So the spinning wheel worksheet. Number 1, describe the spinning wheel. Ooh, what did it look like? What did it do? It described it. Number 2, what did Grace dare Jill to do while they rode the spinning wheel? I don't know. Number 3, what else do Grace and Jill do at the park? I know. Number 4, Why do Grace and Jill not ride the spinning wheel 2 times? I understand that one too. All right. Now, after that, you've got a take-home reading also. It's the frog jumping contest, and it's just a rereading of the frog jumping contest, okay? So just practice reading that too. And that's what that one is. So let's move on. Our learning targets, I can determine if a sentence is in the past, present, or future. I can add suffixes to root words, and I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story, The Spinning Wheel. All right, my friends, that's the end of this lesson, and I will see you back here later. Bye, guys.